Hi friends, let me continue the composite functions in this class also. I have given f of x is equal to x plus 6 by 3 and g of x is equal to 3 minus x. We can find, when f and g are given, we can find f dot g, g dot f. Also, we can find the f dot f and even we can find the g dot g, g dot g. Now, how to find the f dot g here? What is the f of g of x, f dot g of x or f composite g of x? This first step is f of g of x. F into f of, in this g of x, you write this answer. What is g of x, the function? It is 3 minus x. Now f of 3 minus x, in this f of x, replace or substitute x by 3 minus x. So what we get, in this place x alone, you put 3 minus x plus 6 divided by 3 and simplify, you get 9 minus x by 3. This is f dot g. We can find g dot f of x. How to write? First step, g of f of x. And in this f of x, replace the function f of x. That is, g of f of x is x plus 6 by 3. And how to find g of this one? In this function g, replace x by what is inside the bracket. That we get 3 minus, for this x we substitute this one, x plus 6 by 3 within bracket. So we simplify by taking LCM, 9 minus x minus 6 by 3. This is 3 minus x by 3. You can verify. So g dot f of x, g of f of x is x plus 6 by 3. And what is g? 3 minus x. So 3 minus x, you replace this, minus x minus 6 whole divided by 3. We have taken LCM. So simplifying, you get 3 minus x by 3. If you want to find the f dot f of x, this is the same way we can follow f of x. What is f of x? F of x plus 6 by 3. Now what is f of x plus 6 by 3? In this function, again you replace x by the term within the bracket. That we get x plus 6 by 3 plus 6 whole divided by 3. You should be a little careful. Okay. Here you put by 1, take LCM, we get x plus 6 plus 18 by 3 whole divided by 3. This becomes x plus 24 divided by 9. I hope you can understand. In the same way, you can find g of x. This is g of x. That is g of, what is g of x here? 3 minus x. Now what is in this function g, you replace x by this one. That is 3 minus, inside the bracket you write 3 minus x. Now you expand, you get the answer as x. Okay, I hope you understand. So when two functions are given, we can find the f dot g, we can find g dot f, we can find the f dot f, and we can find the g dot g. If you go one step further, sometimes they will ask what is f dot g of bracket plus 3. How to find the f dot g of 3? You find first f dot g of x, and this answer we can find f dot g of 3. That is, in place of x, you put 3, you will get 9 minus 3 divided by 3, that gives 6 by 3, that is equal to 2. So not only with x, they can even they can ask you to find g dot f of 6, f dot f of 5, g dot g of 6. So after finding this g dot g, and next step you substitute the value and find. Okay, this way we can do the composition of functions. And when f of x, g of x and h of x are given, we can prove that. It is always an important 5-mark question. They will ask you to verify the associative. What is associative? F dot g, this is associative. F dot g dot h is equal to f dot g of h. Okay. As the time is running out, I will prove this one in the next class. Thank you.